Hello and welcome to this video tutorial. I'm Nuria. In this video I'm going to teach you how to use the if-else statement in JavaScript. Let's dive in to the example. First I want to create a heading element 1. With ID header. Next, I want to create a small JavaScript code that will change the color of this heading based on a certain condition. I want to create a variable x and initialize it to a value of 20. Next, I want to create another variable that will hold for me the HTML element heading 1. Document.getElement by ID. Now using the if statement, I want to change the color of this heading 1 to green when the value is greater than or equal 18. So if x greater than or equal to 18, change the color of this HTML element to green. Now what happens if this condition has failed? We can use the else statement. So here else if will do Now, what this program will do is, if the first condition is satisfied, the outcome is going to be that this header will be having a color of green. But if the first condition has failed, the algorithm is going to go directly to the next condition, this one, and it is going to change the color of the text to red. Let's run this program and see it. Now, as expected, you can see the color of the heading 1 is green because the value is 20. So the first condition has been satisfied. Now what happens if I change this to something less than 18? Let's say 15. We expect that the first condition fails and then the next condition is executed. Exactly. So what you have learned from this tutorial is that using if-else statement, you can control an outcome of a program. If this video has been helpful to you, for more like this, click on subscribe, like and share. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.